Let us construct a triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 90 degree, AC equal to 8 centimeter and AB equal to 6 centimeter. We take a ruler and draw a line segment that measures 6 centimeter, 0 to 6. And we got a line segment that measures 6 centimeter. Let us label the line segment to be AB. And we did draw AB that measures 6 centimeter. Next, we want to draw angle B that measures 90 degree. To draw angle B that measures 90 degree, we take a compass and draw a circular arc. Without changing the radius, draw several circular arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we obtain a perpendicular to AB. Next, we want to draw AC that measures 8 centimeter. We take a compass, adjust the radius of compass to measure 8 centimeter. Locate the center of compass to the point A and draw a circular arc of radius 8 centimeter. That makes sure that AC equal to 8 centimeter. Lastly, we join AC and we obtain triangle ABC, whereby AB measures 6 centimeter, angle B equal to 90 degree, and AC measures 8 centimeter. So we got a right angle triangle with known hypotenuse and one side.